Hi, I'm Joe from Joe's Paradise of Colour. These are Rollags. They're perfect for many different types of spins. They're easy to use and the board is a lot more affordable for anyone looking at blending their own fibre to make their own for special spinning projects. We paid about $175 for this one from Ashford. If you don't have a lot of money to spend on a drum carder, then blending boards are just as good. With a blending board you can also make little fibre tops using a diz. You can also make luxury fabrics for felting. Rolags, of course, large rolags. I've seen a few spinners using the super large rolags, just using one and then just rolling it up into one big one for art yarns and core spinning. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get 100 grams out of that because it's not a lot, but I will do some pretty thin layer, one layer per batch, and then I will put just the base on top and all the other stuff. Oh my god, this is so soft. This is so soft. This is so very soft. Oh my god. You just see it flopping in my hand. If you could feel this, it is so dreamy. Oh my god. Ultimate luxury. I'll get probably 3 on this one. 3 per thing. Alright. Oh my god. I'm in heaven. The feel of this is just so soft and cold to touch. Like, it is so beautiful. So beautiful. I'll definitely need to make more of these, and hopefully I can make some for sale, but I'm very, I haven't put any of the hypoallergenic stuff up for sale yet. It's one of my favourite blends. So I don't know. I might just keep it for myself and make stuff to sell. Oh, come on. Oh my god, that just flopped. Normally they don't flop like that. Alright, I'm going to place them down on here. Oh my god, they're just so fluffy. Oh, I'm going to break it. I've got to be careful. They're so soft. Alright. I broke one. I made it go really long and skinny. Whoops. Oh well. I'll be spinning these up, so it's all good. It's all good. But yeah. So pretty. So the next part will be me spinning these.